Hi friends, my name is Akhila. Today's topic is nutrition. The nutrition is obtained from the consumed food. It is required for the growth, maintenance, repair, and reproduction within the body. Food contain nutrients. When the food consumed, that food contain adequate amount of nutrition, it is enough to fulfill all the body functions. Here, the function of body by using nutrition, body growth, maintenance, repair, and reproduction. For all these functions, they require nutrition. For this function, we require enough amount of nutrition. When we consumed adequate amount of nutrition, that is enough to fulfill all these body functions. Then 6 kinds of nutrients found in all foods that include carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates make up the bulk of our diet, mainly the energy source. Carbohydrate is an energy source of the body. This carbohydrate mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So shortly we can represent it as CHO. CHO means carbohydrate. Then here is a simple introduction about each of the nutrients. I will explain each nutrient in detail in another video. First one is carbohydrate. Energy is produced by the oxidation or internal burning of carbohydrates in the animal cell using oxygen. The animals, by using oxygen, the carbohydrate within the cell leads to the oxidation. This oxygen that leads to the oxidation of carbohydrate within the cell. That process is known as cellular respiration or otherwise known as internal burning. The oxidation of carbohydrate that require oxygen, this oxygen is provided by the respiration. Respiration that inhale the oxygen that is used for the cellular respiration or breakdown of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is an energy source. There are some of the sources of carbohydrate that include cereal grain, that wheat, rice, etc. Tubers like potato, sweet potato, cassava. These are the main sources of carbohydrates. The next is fat or lipid. Fats are abundant in both animals and plant materials. The fat content of fruit, except avocado and olive, is poor. Mainly the fruit that containing less fat only, except avocado and olive. These both, avocado and olive, that contain high amount of fat. Cereal germ that contain 15% of fat. 15% of fat present in the germ of cereals. Nuts like groundnut are the rich source of fat. Butter from milk also important source of fat. Then adipose tissue of animal consists of mainly high amount of fat. The next is protein. Protein is a major source of building material for body. Structural constituent of cell membrane and function in the maintenance and repair of the body tissue. This mainly involved in the function like maintenance and repairing of the body tissue, and also is a constituent of cellular membrane. Protein also acts as a biocatalyst. The protein is made up of amino acid, which are its structural unit. The structural unit of protein is amino acid. Protein found in both animal and plant tissue. Animal sources include meat, fish, poultry, egg, milk, and cheese. Plant sources include pulses and cereals contain considerable amount of storage protein. Soybean also contain over 40% of protein. Nuts and seed also a good source of protein. Starchy vegetables contain 2% of proteins. Other vegetables and fruits, that is poor source of proteins. The next is vitamin. Vitamins are accessory nutrients. They are required for the proper utilization of food. They are required for the proper utilization of food. Food that containing carbohydrate, fat and protein, etc. And also by this proper utilization, by controlling the proper utilization, they maintain the health. They are consist of enzymes which function as catalysts for many biological reactions within the body. Mainly the constituent of enzyme. These vitamins are a constituent of enzyme. Vegetables and fruits are a good source of vitamin. Wheat is excellent source of vitamin B. Bran and germ contain a bulk of these nutrients, usually removed during processing. By processing, the vitamins are removed from the bran and germ. Before that, it contains high amount of vitamin. The next is minerals. Minerals also act as a catalyst for many biological functions within the body. Their other function other than this catalytic function, they are the building of bones and other structural part of the body, muscular contraction, transmission of messages through the nerve system, and the digestion and utilization of nutrients in the food. Some minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and sulfur are required for large quantities for the body. These are the nutrients or these are the minerals that required in large quantity. That's why this is known as macronutrient. Others like zinc, copper, iodine, manganese, cobalt are required in small quantities. So this is known as micronutrients. Micro for small quantity of minerals, macronutrients that required in large quantity. Minerals found in both plants and animals. The mineral content of plant food varies depending upon the mineral element present in the medium of cultivation. In which media we cultivated the plant, that plant absorbed the nutrition or mineral from the medium. That mineral is deposited within a plant, supply high amount of mineral to the body. This all about nutrition. I will explain this each of the nutrition in detail, like carbohydrate, protein, mineral, etc. Thank you.